So hey everyone, I hope you are doing great, and today in this video we are going to solve a lead code problem, and I have already solved this problem using brute force, so now I'm trying using binary search. So what does this problem tells you that there is an array 1 and another array 2. So what do you need is that you need to find the difference between of an element between array of 1 and array of 2, and the distance or difference should be less than or greater than the d given in the problem, and you have to count the element in array 1 which are not less than or equal to 2 after taking difference. So let's start. So first step is to define the size of both the arrays. So let's say n1 for array of 1 and n2 for array of 2. Now the second step is to sort or use directly a function for sorting array 2, which will be like array of 2 begin till the end. Yeah. So now we are going to use, so basically the time complexity of this will be n log n, which is better than n square. So let's solve it further. So first we are going to traverse through array of I, array of array of 2, yeah, array of 2. No, I will traverse through array of 1, or I can say n1, I plus plus. And now I will traverse through, okay, now I will traverse through array of 2, which will be end of n2 minus n. No. Now this is the most important step. Array of 1 minus d and array of 1 plus d. So what I'm basically doing is defining a particular range, or I can say forbidden range. So I'm going to find the array of inside an array of 2, the element which are coming inside this forbidden zone, which is x and y. So let's begin. While start is less than equal to end. So if my, okay, I need to add a counter also. So okay, so with my array of this, okay, so there is also mid, which should be equal to mid of plus and minus start by 2. Okay, so mid, if my array 2 mid is greater than y, okay, so if the element is greater than y, so the it means I need to decrease the value for comparing in for taking value inside a forbidden zone. So I need to decrease the value, which will be like n equal to mid minus 1. Since it's an sorted array, the value will be decreased by the pointer of end, as per the pointer of end. And if it is less than n, so I will increase the value by start equal to beta plus 1. Else, it means that if a number lies between the range of x and y, so what I will do is, like, I will count that particular number, or count that range, count that I, and also break, because I don't need to further traverse this whole area. So yeah, I think in the count, okay, return part, I will return the value of n1 minus count. Okay, let's see what is the result. Okay, okay, n1 is not defined. Not, this is a int data type structure. Okay, let's see. Area of size. Okay. Ah, it's working. Let's go. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.